Alright, let's see, what else is going on? Today, guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Mike, 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 Mike. Uh, tapping, tapping. Guess what day it is? Today is Saturday, December 30th, 2023, or Sunday, depending on where you are. But not only is it Saturday, December 30th, 2023, it is also Bicarbonate of Soda Day. Go out and have a bicarbonate of soda day. I think that sounds like, the old-fashioned soda shop. Is that what it was like? Is that not like Coca-Cola? Is that a different kind of soda? Anyway, neither here nor there. Nonetheless, not only is it Bicarbonate of Soda Day, it is also Falling Needles Family Fest Day. Falling Needles Family Fest Day. No, it is not my anniversary. That is not today. Falling Needles Family Fest Day. That sounds like a neighborhood church kind of thing. I don't know how it got on this national calendar. Not only is it Falling Needles Family Fest Day, it is also Bacon Day. That's a big deal, people. To a lot of you people. I'm a sausage person. I'm not a bacon person. Don't hate me in the chat. I know. Most of you are bacon people, but I can take it or leave it. I can have it. I cannot have it. It's not a big deal to me to have bacon. Later on, my wife wants to see Christmas lights at a local park. Last night's before the end of the year. Okay, cool. Good idea. Not only is it Bacon Day, it is also... Oh. Yep, that's the end of... That's everything. Hold on. Checking, make sure. Okay, well, have a good day of enjoying your bicarbonate of soda while watching Falling Needles and your bacon. Bacon and soda while looking at needles. Yes, that's a day.